Hello, my name is Larissa Feeney, Chartered Accountant and CEO of Accountant Online. Accountant Online is an award-winning chartered accountancy firm that serves clients across Ireland and the UK. We help businesses to launch, grow and thrive by making financial and regulatory compliance simple for you. When you decide to start a business, you may wonder whether you should be a sole trader or a limited company. Today, I'll be taking you through 4 things to help you decide. One of the first things you should consider when deciding whether to set up as a sole trader or a limited company in Ireland is your attitude towards risk. There are different levels of risk involved in setting up as a sole trader versus setting up as a limited company. As a sole trader, you'll be setting up a business in your own name and you'll be personally liable to pay the debts of the business. And then as a limited company, you can benefit from having limited liability, which means your personal assets generally can't be used to settle company debts. The main thing to think about is how risky your business venture is and whether you're comfortable taking this risk with your personal assets. For example, there are certain industries where you might be more likely to have legal action taken against you. In these cases, limited liability may offer some protection over your personal assets. The next consideration is how you'd like to be paid from your business. This is something we get asked about a lot by our clients. The main thing to consider is how much income your business will generate and how to be tax efficient. As a limited company, you can pay yourself a salary or take a dividend, whereas as a sole trader, you won't have this option. Everything you earn, minus expenses, will be taxed as income. If you are a director of a limited company taking a salary, you'll pay tax on it the same way you would if you had any other job. In a limited company, once the business expenses, including salaries, are deducted from your earnings, the company will pay corporation tax on the rest. Once you earn above a certain amount as a sole trader, it might become more tax efficient for you to be set up as a limited company. You should talk to an accountant who can advise you on the most tax efficient option for your circumstances. There are different tax and legal obligations for sole traders and limited companies. It is much more onerous to be compliant as a limited company. If you're just starting your business, you might want to take on as much of the work as possible to keep costs down. But you should make a realistic plan of what you're able to do yourself and what you may need help with. As a limited company, you'll have more compliance requirements, such as annual return filings to the CRO and corporation tax returns to revenue. As a sole trader, you'll have to file income tax returns, and both limited companies and sole traders will have to file VAT or payroll returns if they are registered for those taxes. Even though setting up a limited company can come with additional compliance responsibilities, a lot of our clients go this route to avail of benefits such as better tax conditions. It's good to know that you don't have to decide right away. You might start out as a sole trader and then switch to a limited company down the line to take advantage of these benefits. That brings me on to my final point. Think about where you see your business in the next 5 to 10 years. If you see your business as staying small over the years, setting up as a sole trader might be the best option for you. But if you have plans to grow your business, you should consider setting up a limited company. Sole trader businesses are generally easy to set up and shut down, and you can run your business alongside your 9-to-5 job. Your compliance obligations to revenue will also tend to be simpler. However, if you're thinking long-term for your business, being set up as a limited company might be more tax efficient and can make you seem more established in the eyes of clients and suppliers. It can also make you more attractive to potential employees. If and when you choose to expand your company, you may be eligible for a greater variety of government supports, and you may be more likely to get approved for funding than if you were a sole trader. The decision to set up as a sole trader or a limited company is personal to every individual. I hope the information in this video will help you make the best choice for your business.